Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Bigo live stream buffering problem. So to fix buffering problem on Bigo live stream, you want to focus on improving your internet's connection. So you could go with basic steps. First thing first, you want to go to settings on your device and locate network and internet from the list. Now then, go to internet section. Now here, you just want to toggle on and off the Wi-Fi section or the mobile data that you are connected to, or maybe refresh or restart your router. That can also help you out. Now other than that, what you also want to do is you just want to make sure to avoid network congestions, or maybe what you can do is while you're on the section of the settings page, you just want to go back, locate app from the list, and you just want to click on see all apps, locate Bigo Live in this section. Here it is. You want to click on force stop, as well as you could go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to help. Now other than that, what you also want to do is you could also run the speed test. So use an online tool like speedtest.net to verify your internet speed as well. And if nothing works out, then you could simply restart your device, at the same time reinstall Bigo Live, and that's gonna definitely help you out fix this issue. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.